2 of visiting the little mall. Uh, Finally, they freaking restocked. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You need to tip us. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't care. They have freaking little animals. That's cool, you know. We don't care. Anyways, what should we get? Bro, shut up and go. Alright, guys. So the manager is finally they freaking restock again. Some clothes. Yeah. What do you need, bro? I don't know. Bro, you waste our time doing this. Shut up. Can't see. Freaking sue you. Anyway. Oh my gosh. Kasi is so freaking good. What should I freaking pick? That chicken over there. This chicken, I will freaking cook it. So I'm not going to get that. Wait, what? You're going to cook it? No, kill it. Wait, what? You're so freaking cool. Nah, but anyways, what should we freaking get? I don't know. You pick. We don't have toothbrush. To get one. Yeah, there's always freaking. I'm going to get a kill. Okay, I'm not the freaking. By the way, guys, please subscribe. I wanna freaking be a freaking model. Yeah, it's not going to happen. Please, guys, please make it happen. And I will shout out to ya for my videos. And yeah, I'm going to put more food. There's no vegetable choice for the vegans out there. Yeah, I just wait a minute. Mm, wait a minute. Wait a minute. So, we're going to put on this. Is this lettuce? Because it's vegetables. Sorry. Okay, let's not do this. I'm just going to just be food. I'm busy. And this is going. What the heck? I freaking. I don't want to say. Bro, there. Okay. We need another tomato. And the potato. I watch the moon say one day. Ooh. Brothers so cool. Guys, my freaking grandmother always eat tofu, but I don't like it because it freaking tastes like, yeah, gross. Okay, okay. I think that's it. There's a blueberry. Sorry guys for making out. Wait, so I'm going to cut this. Okay, there's some vegetable now. So I'm going to put nothing here because I don't know to put here. So yeah, wait guys.